Good morning class. I am Thar sir. Today we will discuss the rest part of the aliphatic amine. Today we will discuss the chemical properties of amine. In the previous class we will discuss about the different type of method of preparation of amine and its physical properties. Today we will discuss about the chemical properties of the amine. First, study the basic character of amine. Like in carboxylic acid, its chemical properties. First one is the acidic nature of carboxylic acid or acidic properties of carboxylic acid. Similarly, today in the chemical properties of amine, we will discuss part one is the basic character of amine. Basic character of amine. Today we will discuss the basic character of amine. In basic character of amine, we will discuss what is the basic character involved in or what are the concept behind it. In basic character of amine, we will discuss the basic strength of different type of amine. So let us study how ammonia is a base, or going through a problem. First point is comparison between basic strength of ammonia and aliphatic amine. Similarly, comparison between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. And comparison between the aliphatic amine and aromatic. So in basic character amine, we will discuss how to compare the basic strength of ammonia and aliphatic amine. Similarly, comparison between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine or 3 degree amine, or that is between primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. And also calculate the basic strength of or compare the basic strength of aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. The first one is comparison between basic strength of ammonia and aliphatic amine. Between ammonia and aliphatic amine, which is stronger base and why? So, first one is comparison between aliphatic amine and ammonia. Here I take in an example in a problematic way between ammonia and aliphatic amine. Between ammonia and aliphatic amine, which is stronger base? Base and why? Question arises in examination that between ammonia and aliphatic amine, which is stronger base and why? Or similarly, the same question is between ammonia and aliphatic amine. Aliphatic amine, here an example, aliphatic amine RNH2. Here taking an example CH3. Sorry. The question is that between ammonia and methylamine, which is stronger base and why? So now we will discuss between ammonia and aliphatic amine, which is stronger base and why. The solution is, the answer is, between ammonia and aliphatic amine, which is stronger base and what? Ammonia and aliphatic amine. Ammonia, that is aliphatic amine. First one, we know that why ammonia and aliphatic amine are pairs. According to Lewis concept, the substance which has a tendency to donate a pair of electrons is called a base. Similarly, the lone pair present over the nitrogen atom. So the ammonia is a electron rich species. That's why it is a base. Also, similarly, aliphatic amine have an alkyl group R equal to any alkyl group. An alkyl group is attached. Also, over the nitrogen atom, pair of electrons are also present. So, both ammonia and aliphatic amine are base. But question arises that between ammonia and aliphatic amine, which is stronger base and what? So, according to the concept of base, the substance which is electron rich, the substance which have more electron cloud over it, and which can donate pair of electron easily, is called stronger base. That's why when comparing between ammonia and aliphatic amine, when we compare between ammonia and aliphatic amine, both are base. But which one is stronger base? Here, aliphatic amine is stronger base. Why? Because in ammonia there is two electron present or pair of electron present. Also, in aliphatic amine, over the nitrogen atom, two electrons are present or pair of electrons are present. But here R equal to any alkyl group which are electron donating group or electron releasing group attached with that nitrogen. That's why the availability of electron over the nitrogen atom increases due to presence of alkyl group. So between ammonia and aliphatic amine is stronger base than ammonia. Also, here we can define a particular term, that is due to plus-I effect. Due to plus-I effect, or when an electron releasing group attached with nitrogen atom, its electron density over it increases. So between ammonia and aliphatic amine is stronger base than ammonia. Why? Due to presence of an electron releasing alkyl group. So it is a general question. Now question arises that again similar way between ammonia and methylamine. Between ammonia and methylamine, which is stronger base and why? That is the same type of question, that between ammonia and methylamine, which is stronger base and why? From the above question, we conclude that aliphatic amine is stronger base than ammonia. So here also methylamine is stronger base than ammonia. Here methylamine is stronger base than ammonia. Why? Due to presence of a electron releasing methyl group, or here the plus-I effect takes place. So above the nitrogen atom in aliphatic amine, the electron density increases. That's why it can donate electron the any other species very easy. So between aliphatic amine and ammonia, aliphatic amine is stronger gas than ammonia. So now proceed the second point, that comparing between different type of amine, that is comparison between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine. Then comparison between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine. Or comparison between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine according to the basic character. The solution is 2 degree amine. So comparison between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine, that is RMH2 1 degree amine, two degree amine, three degree amine. So here it is a 1 degree amine due to presence of one alkyl group, here the 2 degree amine due to presence of two alkyl group, and the 3 degree amine due to presence of three alkyl group. So according to the definition or according to the concept, here 3 degree amine is more basic than 2 degree amine than 1 degree amine due to presence of more number of alkyl group. So here 3 degree amine is more basic than 2 degree amine and 1 degree amine. Why? Due to presence of more number of alkyl group. Now 3 degree amine, 3 alkyl group are present, so the tendency to donation of electron increases. So the above the nitrogen atomic electron density increases. Here also 2 alkyl group are present. So between 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine, 3 degree amine is more basic than 2 degree and 1 degree. But this cannot happen actually. So the actual order of, so the, it is wrong. So the actual order of basicity of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine is that amine is 2 degree greater than 1 degree and then 3 degree. So I have 3 degree amine or tertiary amine. Tertiary amine is less basic than 1 degree than 2 degree. So more basic is secondary amine, then primary amine, then tertiary amine. But why? But from the previous question we know that presence of more number of alkyl group, more is the stability. Sorry, due to presence of more alkyl group and resistance increases. But in this case, not happening that, because here 2 degree amine or the actual basic order strength order of different type of amine is 2 degree is more than 1 degree than 3 degree. This can be textful or the order of basicity of different type of amine textful due to, or in this order textful why? Due to one point is steric hindrance and another one is solvation effect. solvation of ions. So due to 2 points, one is steric hindrance and another is solvation of ions. That's why the basic strength or order of the basicity are defined in this type. That is 2 degree is more basic than 1 degree than 3 degree. So first we define the term steric hindrance. What the effect takes place by steric hindrance. You already know in class 11 that the term is steric hindrance. Steric hindrance means that due to presence of a bulky group, the interelectronic repulsion takes place between them. That is called steric hindrance. Here also, tertiary amine is less basic than other 2 degree amine due to steric hindrance. Steric hindrance means if we take here the methyl group. So, due to presence of more number of bulky group, steric hindrance takes place. Steric hindrance means the electronic environment, the repulsion of electronic environment takes place. That's why the tertiary amine is unstable. So when comparing the basicity, its basic strength gradually decreases due to steric hindrance. But in case of secondary amine and primary amine, there is less number of bulky group present. That's why its stability increases. That's why its basic strength increases. Another point is solvation of ion. Solvation of ion. Solvation means when primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine when put on the water, then solvation takes place. That means the presence of hydrogen atom, of different type of amine can bond with or can form a hydrogen bond with water. What is hydrogen bond? You already know that hydrogen bond is there. Hydrogen can bond with most electronegative element, that is chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen, potassium. So in secondary amine, solvation effect takes place. Also in primary amine, solvation effect takes place. But in tertiary amine, no solvation effect takes place because here absence of hydrogen. So due to absence of hydrogen atom, it cannot form a hydrogen bond with water molecule. Because greater the solvation, greater is the energy or stability or increases its stability. That's why basic greater increases. So in the case of different type of amines, that is tertiary amine, due to absence of hydrogen atom, its solution energy decreases. Its solution energy decreases. That's why its stability decreases or instability increases. So when we compare the different type of amine, secondary amine is stronger base than primary amine than tertiary amine. But what are the reason? The reason is that one is steric hindrance and second one is solvation of ions. So I hope you understand well. Then we proceed the comparison between aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. Comparison between aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. Comparison between aromatic amine, so the aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. In a particular First reaction in the reaction that between methylamine and aniline. Between methylamine and aniline, which is stronger base and why? Between methylamine and aniline, which is stronger base and why? Answer is methylamine. CH3NH2. So between methylamine and aniline, which is stronger base and why? So answer is between methylamine and aniline, methylamine is stronger base than aniline. But why? So according to the definition or concept of base, which is an electron rich species or the density of electron over it is much or greater, then its basic character increases. Similarly, between methylamine and aniline, methylamine is stronger base than aniline. Why? Due to presence of an alkyl group or due to Bloch effect takes place, or that is called inductive effect. You already know in class 11, that is not mentioned here. Due to presence of an alkyl group, or that is methyl group, or Bloch effect takes place, methylamine is stronger base than aniline. So, due to presence of an alkyl group, the density of one nitrogen atom increases. That's why it's stronger base. But what happens in case of aniline? Aniline is weaker base than methylamine. Why? The methylamine, that is aniline. Aniline is weaker base than methylamine because the lone pair of a nitrogen atom gradually decreases. That's why it is a weak base in comparison to methylamine. Why decreases? Due to resonance. That is, in class 11 we already studied the resonating structure or write the resonating structure. Also here I discuss the resonating structure. Why methylamine is weaker base? So, now the complete concept can be arises in I that between methylamine and aniline, aniline is weaker base than methylamine. Why aniline is weaker base than methylamine? Due to resonance. Due to resonance, now the availability of electron pair of the nitrogen ion of the nitrogen atom gradually decreases due to resonance because the lone pair of a nitrogen atom are introduced in the resonance. So between methylamine and aniline, methylamine is stronger base than aniline. due to in methylamine there is plus effect takes place, or that is an alkyl group attached. The aniline is weaker base due to the availability of electron pair over nitrogen atom, gradually decreases due to resonance. So today we will discuss the basic properties of amine. So I understand. So I hope you understand the what are the basic character involved with different type of amine. So today class we will discuss the basic properties of amine. First one is comparison between the ammonia and aliphatic amine. Second one is between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, and 3 degree amine. As the 2 degree amine is more basic than 1 degree and 3 degree due to one is static interactions due to solvation effect. Then third one is comparison between aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. So next class we will discuss the what are the chemical reaction involved in ammonia. That is aliphatic amine. Thank you.